Welcome to Agile On Time. Agile On Time is an agile and very operational project approach. We have used it in many different sectors and sizes. Let's start with the sectors. We have used it in some very large and very complex SAP projects, in designing a festival, in finding out how to deal with the Tour de France coming to a municipality. We have used it in creating large physical installations with loads of documents that needs to be made by the supplier and accepted by the customer. Very different settings, in other words. Size-wise, it has been from, let's say, 3-4 people, 600 man-hours, all the way up to far beyond 100,000 man-hours, distributed in 12 teams with 90 persons organization behind it. We think it's therefore a very scalable approach. What is it based on? Well, it's based on common sense. You will really experience when you get to dive into this that it's based so much on common sense. Also, it's based on the approach described in this book by the Agile Business Consortium. We have, of course, taken a lot of training in this approach from Agile Business Consortium, and we can see that every single element in this book has been checked off in the Agile On Time. So, is it important? Yes, it is important, because this organization has done Agile projects since 1994. So a huge experience base is founding the Agile On Time approach. We really believe that Agile On Time is a win-win-win approach. It's a win for the project participants because their energy level will rise throughout the project. It's a win for the project because the project will be delivered on time or perhaps even ahead of schedule. And it's a win for the company because our customers, they tell us that when they compare the traditional way of running projects to Agile On Time, then they experience a reduction in lead time of between 20% and sometimes all the way up to 30%. And on top of that, they also explain to us that the cost is reduced by 20% and sometimes up to 30%. But the most important, that is definitely that Agile On Time is capable of building a bridge between a dynamic project life into delivering on time again and again and again. Enjoy.